Welcome back to another nail art video. This time we will be doing some rainbow scratch graffiti art. We are starting with plain black polish base. I've done 2 coats here, and so we can do our design on top, I'm going to matte top coat. This is one from Nail and Beauty Excellence. It's absolutely lovely matte feeling on top. It's gorgeous. It lasts absolutely ages as well. 60-second cure time. Make sure you use really thin layers. Make sure there's no wrinkles or dips. Cap the edge and cure for 60 seconds. Using my Brush and Blend detail brush from Nail and Beauty Excellence, this is what I'm going to use to do. The nail we're going to do is the one that said cool on it, and we're going to use the Performance Gel 001, also from Nail and Beauty Excellence. Super bright white, so really pigmented. It doesn't go anywhere when you're using it. It's quite thick, and we're going to take our time doing this. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's a graffiti style, but still keeping it quite neat. Just giving that a stir there. It's not been used in a little bit. Try not to overload the brush. You can keep going back in. Just take your time. And I've started with the 2 O's in the word cool, just so I know I've got them round about central. At first we're just trying to get the word on the nail, and after we will go in and tidy it up. Put some more white in. We just need to get the word on the nail first. I think I've sped it up now, I think. Again, it's graffiti. It doesn't matter if you've squashed it maybe a little bit. It's graffiti. It's not meant to be absolutely perfect. And once you've added colour, everything falls into place anyway. You don't see those little minor bits that you can see. Just bringing back some of the white. We're not going for any kind of special font or special way of writing it. Just write it on the nail. I've added some little eyes there just to make it a little bit fun. And now we're on to the blast effect. Keep them random, jagged shapes, long, short. You can see what I did at the beginning. It hasn't moved anywhere. It's lovely. Performance gels are brilliant for your artwork. Performance gels are also 60-second cure. But because we're using the pigments on top, we're going to cure them for 30 seconds just to leave them extra sticky so it can grip that pigment. Once you're happy, 30-second cure. These are my chosen neon pigments. They're not any special brand. Just choosing my colours here. My pigment brushes from Nail and Beauty Excellence, pack of 5. You can see this one's my favourite. I keep the lighter colours to one side and the darker colours to the other. And that last brush was my big fluffy, so I can clean off any loose pigments. I've shook the pot so I can get some of it in the lid. That way I don't have to have the big full pots in front of me in case of accidents. And we're not going to use all that in the lid. Just a little dip and a tap. Because it's such a dark colour, we're not going to go in with loads straight away. We're going to do it just gently, touch by touch, and you'll know from there when and how to build up colour. These are cosmetic grade pigments, so I have dusted off my brush on my arm there. But if you was on a client, obviously you'd use a dry kitchen towel or a dry lint pad. And when I'm applying each colour, I don't apply it right on top of the other colour straight away. I will try and inch it over towards the previous colour just to create that nice blend so we don't get no harsh lines. Excuse me. You can see it's already coming along already and we've not even top coated yet. And using your fluffy brush, we start with the lightest colour first. Just gently dust over that just to get any loose pigments off. Then go down in colour. You don't want to infect, say, the yellow with the blue or the purple. When you're happy, we can now top coat with our shiny top coat, and this is a no wipe top coat from Nail and Beauty Excellence. Again, a 60-second cure. You will need 2 coats if you're doing this on a client. I'm only doing 1 coat here just to show you it with top coat. Try and float it over the top as well, just in case of any pigment drag. It pops right out when you've done that top coat. Cap the edge, 60-second cure. A little tip as well, put your pigments away. Put your pigments and glitters away, flakes, anything. Too many accidents I've had, lost products. Here's a finished nail, lovely and shiny. It really has made those pigments burst there using a shiny top coat. Matching 2 other nails I did. You can use extra details like I have in the Wow nail, splashes and dots. I went a little bit easier with the Pow nail, just did double, bubble writing. And the really simple one, Cool, that I just showed you. They'll look brilliant as feature nails, festival nails, And I really enjoyed doing them for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you give it a try. See you soon.